Hello dear traders, my name is Petko Aleksandrov and today is 24th of February 2017. Last night I have run the generators for the Forex Strategy Builder Professional and also for Expert Advisor Studio. So this morning I can look at the collections that I have on my program, and actually here I have only one strategy shown on Forex Strategy Builder. And this is actually pretty nice because only one strategy fulfills the acceptance criteria, and this tight trading stop limit that I have placed with 6 and 3. Actually, just keep in mind that Forex Strategy Builder is using points when you're placing stop loss and take profit. So when I have placed 30 and 60, this means stop loss of 3 pips and take profit of 6 pips. This is pretty aggressive, actually, very small stop loss, but I wanted to show you that actually you can create very active expert advisors with Forex Strategy Builder. And also the important thing here is that you should define something before you run the generator, because anyway what will happen normally is that you will have hundreds of strategies, which is alright as well. If I show you for example one of the collections I have made for the cable, you will see that I have hundreds of strategies over here, and of course I have a big choice to choose between them, but I know what will happen at the end. I will end up with 2-3 strategies, maximum 5 maybe, and that's why with the time you will learn how to define, for example, stop loss and take profit as I did, or to make your acceptance criteria a little bit stricter, so it will not generate you hundreds of strategies and you will not lose time after this to analyze, optimize and do everything that will take you a lot of time. So it's the best practice if you actually define on the generator some inputs, some entry and exit logic conditions, so at the end you will end up only with couple of strategies, and these strategies you just need to optimize them, to analyze them, test them, and they're alright. You can test them on demo account. So the idea with the collections is actually that once you run them, you don't need to do it again, you can save them. So from over here you can save your selected collections once they are ready. And if you see, for example, at the end of last month I have created a couple of new collections for the cable. So if I want to go back now, I will just open this collection and I can pick new strategies from there, so I don't need to do it again. And the idea with the collection is really nice because once you collect strategies, you can go back to them, you can choose them, you can select them, and then if you're ready with this collection, you just unload it and it's still saved there, and you will not lose this time again to run the generator, for example, for 10 hours as I do when I'm going to sleep. So in the next video I will continue with this strategy because it's pretty interesting for me what I can do with it, the strategy that the generator has shown me, and since it's only one, I will play a little bit more with it. And on the next section, actually, where I will be talking a little bit more about the optimization, we'll have a look at this strategy. Thank you for listening, guys. Bye.